Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we discuss floral photography. Nature has always been a subject of fascination for photographers, offering an endless array of colors, shapes, and textures to explore. Within this vast realm of natural beauty, floral photography stands out as a captivating genre that allows photographers to immortalize the delicate and exquisite details of flowers. From vibrant blooms to intricate petals, floral photography showcases the wonders of nature in all its glory, offering viewers a glimpse into the enchanting world of flowers. Floral photography is an art form that requires not only technical skills but also a deep appreciation for the subject matter. It is about more than just taking pictures of flowers. It is about capturing the essence of each bloom, revealing its unique character and evoking emotions in the viewer. Whether it's a solitary rose, a field of wildflowers, or an exotic orchid, floral photography enables us to connect with the natural world on a deeper level. One of the fundamental challenges in floral photography is finding creative ways to portray the beauty of flowers. With their intricate shapes, vibrant colors, and delicate textures, flowers offer a wide range of possibilities for photographers. The key lies in finding the right composition, lighting, and perspective to showcase the subject's inherent beauty. It could be a close-up shot that reveals the intricate details of a petal, a macro image that magnifies the tiny features of a flower, or a landscape shot that captures the grandeur of a flower-filled meadow. Each approach allows photographers to tell a unique story and convey a specific mood or feeling. In addition to technical skills, successful floral photography requires patience, observation, and a keen eye for detail. Photographers must be attuned to the subtleties of each flower, understanding how light plays on its surface, how the wind affects its movement, and how its colors interact with the environment. This level of attentiveness allows photographers to seize the perfect moment, freezing a flower's ephemeral beauty in time. Moreover, floral photography opens up a realm of creative possibilities beyond the traditional realm of color photography. The intricate shapes and textures of flowers lend themselves well to black and white photography, enabling photographers to explore the interplay of light and shadow, emphasizing form and structure. Monochrome floral images can evoke a sense of timelessness and evoke emotions in a different way, stripping away the distractions of color and focusing solely on the essence of the flower. With the advent of digital photography and image editing software, floral photography has become even more versatile. Photographers can experiment with different post-processing techniques to enhance colors, adjust contrast, or add artistic effects, pushing the boundaries of their creative vision. However, it's important to maintain a balance and ensure that the post-processing techniques used serve to enhance the natural beauty of the flower rather than overshadow it. Floral photography is not only a means of artistic expression but also a way to raise awareness about the importance of preserving and cherishing nature. Through their lens, photographers can highlight the fragility of flowers and the need to protect their habitats. They can showcase the diversity and uniqueness of floral species, drawing attention to the intricate ecosystems that rely on them. In conclusion, floral photography is a captivating genre that allows photographers to capture the enchanting beauty of flowers and share it with the world. It combines technical skills with artistic vision, requiring photographers to immerse themselves in the natural world, appreciating its wonders, and capturing its essence. Whether through vibrant color compositions or monochrome explorations of form, floral photography allows us to see the world through a different lens, connecting us to the delicate and ephemeral beauty of nature. Links can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.